I love hearing the phrase quick wins. I think that's something that a lot of people love hearing, especially leadership management. They want those quick wins. I guess to flip that on its head a little bit, uh, what type of like long-term benefits can you get from the content covered in this course? The long-term wins, I guess, if that's the phrase.
Sure. So we cover lots of quick wins, certainly, lots of quick things we can do to make things better. From the long term, I think this really gives you the ability to ensure that our folks are working on the most important things, right? So something they're doing day in, day out that we can automate, we're gonna automate that. Long term, I think it gives us the ability to do things like interactive notebooks, SOAR automation playbooks, things to really ensure that we are more quickly responding to those incidents. Malware outbreak, credential compromise, whatever it is we're trying to respond to, we can have these playbooks that are kind of pre-baked automation that we continuously add to cover different systems, to cover different types of attacks, continuously add to this kind of backlog of or this inventory of scripts or automations that we can then put in place when something does happen. So long term, I would say, certainly take the quick wins. Those are awesome. Get them out of the way. But long term, start thinking about from the perspective of my overall program, how can I put automation in place that when the incident happens, because it's inevitable, we all have them. When it happens, what, how few buttons do I have to click to mitigate the risk of that incident?
So would you say, is it fair to say that, students will be able to strengthen their security posture immediately, and then it will only grow over time the more that they implement the automation and the other skills and tactics they learn in the course?
Absolutely. So we'll cover things like hardening and kind of more basic concepts like that and how we can automate those with PowerShell. Uh, but we go way beyond that. We go into detection strategies, how to take a ton of data and make sense of it quickly with automation, and then how to kind of automate that response piece of it as well.